This narrow strip of water is the Strait of Gibraltar. It separates two continents. I'm mostly riding on the European side, which is gorgeous. See the sunlight? Believe it or not, that was shot on Christmas Day. But everybody was out there having fun. This place, apart from being a tourist destination, it's a playground. Sometimes you just have to stop and gaze the view. Always wear the proper equipment. Always wear something comfortable. That's how I like it. And ride these roads like there is no tomorrow. Landscapes are unique and they will make you forget whatever you're doing, whatever problems are in your mind. And from one beach to another, you find those wonderful glens, valleys, mountains and hills everywhere. As it is winter, most of it is green. Just sit down and relax by the seaside. You need a rest. Once you're done, easy business then. Head to the mountains, start enjoying yourself. Well, continue enjoying yourself. As many other riders you find on the way, everybody's smiling inside their helmets. Different rides, different people, same philosophy. And it's very easy to stop to have a pit stop anywhere and the view will just be magnificent. This ancient tree I found on my way, which proved to be the perfect so far. And after another rest, I'll be ready to ride. A lot of people ask me why do I spend so much time on a motorcycle. The answer is easy. Look at these fellas crossing the road. A bit dangerous for them, but that's the Iberian ibex you rarely get to see. But on these roads, you can get lucky. Keep riding home, meeting more people at sunset, and the light is just wonderful. Everybody was now heading home. Even me. It was getting too cold at night. We'll wait for the summer. An experience for motor loving people.